Alright, so people, see you family. We're there one more time, you know, with our next vlog, you know. So, it's been a while to put out no content, but bear with me people. I've been busy and things, but a lot been going on for the last few weeks, so I try to cram as much info in this one vlog and update. So, people, as you know, the car blew engine in December, right before the final disruption. So, Shaden, what? What here? Daddy's doing a vlog. Sit with your brother and relax. Alright, so as I was saying, yeah, the engine blew. Didn't get our next motor in time, so we come together as a team and decide say, oh, we have an upgrade. It's been a long time going with this VQ and we're well overdue for do an upgrade, so finally decided we have to do an upgrade.
Or the car decided for you.
Yeah, I tell you. But I never saw what you want if you go down still, you know, but God know everything best, so we just have to work with it. So, Shaden, have a seat. Sit back. Alright, so as I was saying, since the engine blew and we get the idea to do an upgrade, we link up on our bridge engine builder bikes. We have an engine put on for a while and we give him it and him start run through it, strengthen it, and that's the whole point of this vlog. We're going to give an update on the car. So bike is to do a full conversion, full upgrade of the vehicle. We do some fabrication and some changes as well. So right now I don't have bike is we are here now. I'm stop to pick up my bridge in Kim, so I'm with there wait man. So we are going to head to Santa now and go link up bikes. I'm giving a full rundown of exactly how I want, so you can see what I want with the car and the upgrades and everything what to expect from Z-Boss this season. Alright people, so stay tuned. Yeah, man. So you see family, we almost reach a bike is now. The guy we had build the engine for. So as I was saying, we check him last week and engine done build up and the car up on a level. Engine room sprout and look clean and neat because you don't know any build we are doing. Have to clean and fresh, not because of drift car. I think I feel harder. So this week now, just I get a chance to link him 1 week after Saturday or so. I don't know, we have a 9 to 5, so only on Saturdays we can link him. But believe me people, I work fast and efficient. About 3 or 4 weeks now we have a car and reach far, believe me. Yeah man, so but there are people go drive in here now, so look what I go on, I can show you what I go on the machine, you know? Over there. Turn it. You see, big boss. Out there, man. You know, say the be my legend, no camera shine, so we don't have to worry about that. I look big man, big in a body, you know, but he shine. Yeah, if I alone, you have to worry about it. Come in. Yeah, people, so we're there. See big boss, man, I told like camera them, you know, but you don't know anything. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So people, one bad machine at you know, we get a little feature, you know. The Beamer boss, you know. The man are the Beamer legend, you know. Yeah, man. Check it out, people. Nice. E46. Well clean. Bad Jay-Z night too, you know, people. Engine swap. You know, the bike is a real engine swap boss, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, yeah. Fly bunny, we see what going on. We'll give them a little short clip of what going on. Yeah, man, see boss himself there.
Oh, for real, for real.
Yeah. Yes, people, so this a Corey bad B man. Yeah, man.
The cheer.
You follow Instagram, you see what going on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Single turbo, big turbo, crazy thing. Nice machine, clean. Yeah, man. Yeah, people, so take a drive out of bad B man. Built by the boss himself, bike is still again, you know. Yeah, man.
I take a little drive.
Yes, Daddy, I can take a little drive. Alright? Yeah, Daddy soon come.
Come, don't touch it, come. Come this way.
Yeah, people. Nice, huh?
Yeah, man.
Clean too.
Yeah, man.
How well living, eh?
No, man, limited.
Limited.
Yeah.
Oh. Original M?
Eh, no, you know, say I'm 46.
Oh. The people, yeah, in Jamaica, them money are full of M. Them have E30, M3, E46, E36. Yeah, man, it's a family way. Strictly be money specialized. But that one here is a nice little daily fun, you know. Jay-Z swap, E46 machine. I feel what I'm on Friday, you know. Suspension, yeah, man. Original. BC.
BC.
Yeah, man. BC all the way, man. But a suspension, man. Right, good. Yeah, man. Third feel good. Yo, come on, mad. A machine. Okay. How is the pan, bro? 556 base. Huh? Visa?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You ready, man? You ready? It's up more spiritual a little bit, man. Huh? Huh? Yo, cha. A big juice, man. Huh? Kim? I feel machine come on from boost, boy. I think a little boy thing. A machine, man. Sweet, man. A machine, man. A machine, believe me. Eh? Sweet, man. Here's the shader. Machine. It's sweet. You love it? No, it's not good. Yes, sir. Some of my car people. So. Kim, what you say? Alright.
Fresh.
So, I want to give myself a little surprise now. What you say I go on, Kim? How you look?
Fresh.
Eh? What you update? What I go on in there? Babe.
Fresh look.
Man. Nice and clean.
Man.
See the people. Like engine gone in.
Who would I think this would have happened?
Mm-hmm.
But it happened.
That is it, man.
Fresh.
Yeah, people, no longer, no more suspense. Jay-Z are going to a machine. Gone in already. So I just to get things on a level here now.
This look like it can eat.
You say, okay, I thought it.
Like it.
Yeah, and if it feel like it come original.
Original.
So you say you want to push you on the lift? What do you do it, You say when you come back next week, a problem. Serious work go on, you know. Feed time, you know. I miss her, you know, people. Well, I can't wait to feel where Jay-Z will go on it, you know. A problem, you know? Can't wait, yo. Take on the boost life, you know, people.
Tim, how old are you?
I know I want to think.
How old are you?
I want to think I go on. I want to think me I go drive that machine.
How old
Think me can manage the power?
you? You're 20 years?
You catch?
100 million?
Babe! The transmission they grind up, man.
See that move?
Wait, baby.
people, so
God, me like a
you see it I go up on the lift now, you know, say
D-man.
serious work I go on. So you know, so by we come back next week, whole heap of plumbing up and whole heap of nice things that go on, you know. We have to get this machine up and running and back on the road by next month, which is March. So I believe in our boss, man. You can't get your work done in a short order, no? Yeah, man. Careful, Shay.
Do it.
Hmm?
Do it.
No, careful.
Who can
Shahim,
do
you
it?
wake up?
Yeah? Shahim, come over. We'll put a new engine.
Shine, look.
We'll put a
Here,
new
Shahim.
engine.
Wow. Beautiful, right? Pretty.
It's sweet.
You like it?
Just fast sweet.
Yeah, this is going to make daddy drip fast and sweet.
You like it, Shine? You like the new engine?
Me love a new engine sweet up.
Take your finger out of your mouth.
It's sweet. Sweet man. Run
So
the
you match
tail.
daddy shirt?
So that the run your engine down party man. And run your gas.
Well, look, this one get down the turbo.
Run your ass.
Oh, sweet, man.
Engine
Where
will come
ya?
up with it all right.
Bill. Yo.
Engine will come up with it all right.
No, Shine, wait.
You're strong.
Go, Shay.
You're not boy.
You know, eat daddy food for nothing. More, Shay. You give brother a try?
Sure.
Too high shy.
Yeah, teamwork make the dream work, you know. That is it. People, man, I tell you, the machine is sweet.
Not even, not even. Man, what has been sound good, man?
Yeah.
Them just sitting there, we are telling about it, Shine. And then they sitting there with man Tony Beat, a woman, you know? Woman, and them just sitting there with Tony Beat.
Woman, I care, man.
What? Jokes. Tony Beat, man. You can't get me do nothing when time I can't time, man. No, man, when I can't time, man.
Nice, man.
Sweet.
Yo, man, I tell you, say they set up there for your street car, man. It's nice, you know? Clean, you know?
So that the
Inside
car
and
clean.
outside.
Inside and outside.
Clean. The whole setup on the car just neat and nice.
What's mounted at the side of the car?
Hmm?
What's mounted at the side of the car?
It's a little secret. You know, I give them in a vlog yet, you know? Car come on road. Careful, Shay.
That's what it says.
Jack a creep. You good, you know?
Come. Yeah. Come.
Huh? No, the key at the door. Yeah, so that's it for this evening, people. So stay tuned. Next week, show you how I go and give you an update again. By next week, believe me, people, whole heap of things are going on. When you see touch the lift, you know you go. That work. Cover down the baby. Put him to rest.
And juicy.
Let me see him.
We just chink him off. Oh my god.
You can feel it.
Watch it.
Catch him in that.
Hey. Come, where you going?
Come, Shay. Yeah? Wanna put my car down? No, it's gonna stay right here. Alright? So we're going home now. So tell Uncle Bikes bye. Tell Uncle Bikes bye.
What's it?
Alright, brother. Now you go, yeah man. So next week again, you know?